See, a few years ago, I had what most people dreamed about. I had multiple successful business online. Millions of dollars has gone to my company. I had thousands of students, hundreds of coaching clients. I was making six figures, sometimes even seven figure in a month. Then I almost lost everything. I lost the money, I lost the momentum, I lost the business, I also lost my confidence. I really lost everything. I went into crypto. I made some bad investment. I had some bad partnerships. It's been crazy. I made some bad decision. I got overconfident. I'm making this video today. Resetting. I lost my email list. I had an email list of over 200,000 people that I built throughout the years. I lost my income. I lost the momentum. I stopped producing content. Some of you have not seen me online for so long. 2 years went by. I felt embarrassed. I was teaching people, and I lost so much money in the crypto market. I made so much money in the beginning. I thought this was easy. I'm like, well, I'm gonna reshift my focus towards that. And then it was one of the biggest mistakes that I made. I had some of the biggest loss. And but there's one thing about I learned about losing everything. It forces me now to rebuild and rebuild smarter. So that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to use AI as my help to build me a business again. And I'm in the process of doing that. And I want to show you exactly how I'm doing that. I didn't want to make a video so quick. I waited before so I can get some results before I can share with you guys what's happening. If it's your first time here, my name is Skater. For those of you that don't know me, I've built businesses online since 2012. I've been building online businesses. I've done affiliate marketing, lead generation, Craigslist marketing, personal branding, Facebook marketing. I've created courses online. I've coached thousands of people. I've done cryptocurrency. I've done some trading. I even have an offline business where we do events and stuff like that. So I've built businesses that generate millions of dollars over the years. I've got awarded for some of those businesses that I've done, and I've also helped students make the first six figures. I even have students that made the first $1 million using the internet, and it completely changed their lives. But today, I'm not here to tell you about my success. I'm here to tell you about my comeback because I lost everything. I've done it, but I've lost it all. Let me take you back a little bit so you can see where it all really started. I was really doing well, really well. I had courses that had thousands of affiliate promoting them. I had clients that was coming to me for coaching every day. I had consulting on lockdown. I had income coming from multiple streams, from multiple different directions. People were paying me tens of thousands of dollars to help them with their business. And I got overconfident and I got into crypto. I've been in the crypto for a while. So when I made the money, instead of just, you know, see how I can build my business bigger, I took it all and invested into crypto thinking like I'm gonna crush it. I had some early success. This was the craziest thing. I started putting money in crypto projects that I didn't fully understand. I've made business deal with people that I didn't really that didn't have my really best interest in mind. So some of the decisions, they came from a place of ego, not wisdom, because I felt like I was on top of the world. And over the course of 18 months, it all collapsed. I lost everything. I lost the email list. The only thing that was left is my social media presence. I went from to almost to zero, losing everything in the bank. All my banks went to negative. So the business deal, everything fall apart. My email list, which was the core part of my business, over 200,000 people. I had to let that go. All my funnels, all my stuff, my online, I couldn't even pay for my website. So all my websites are down. I had to let them go. I literally stopped everything, For almost 2 years, I did absolutely nothing. I just felt like, oh man, felt like there was this big giant charge on my shoulder. And what changed? So honestly, I started playing with AI tools. That's the reason why I'm coming back. Something clicked. Before I even start making these videos about this AI tool, I went ahead, I saw somebody that was using it. I knew about ChatGPT, been using it for years. Then I took a class, I took a course. I invested into the certified program. It was like $1,000 for the course and $5K for the certified program. So I ended up doing that. I realized with AI, I could build and rebuild faster than I built the first time, because now instead of doing everything manually, you have a system that could do 80 to 90% of the heavy lifting for you. That's why I'm recreating this channel. That's why I'm sharing everything, including the embarrassing part, but something that happened recently. I realized something. There's a big opportunity today. Things are much bigger and much faster. And not just because the economy has changed, but the social media has changed. Everything has changed because of AI. Everything changed. For the first time in history, as one person, you can build a whole business that would require a whole full team. Think about it. Years ago, like when I was building my business, I had to get a graphic designer, I had to get video editor, I had to get virtual assistant. I was paying VAs from the Philippines, from Pakistan, from different places. I had copywriters, I had to get people that can create apps for me, developers from India. I was working with so many different people on my team and having to pay for so many people. Today, AI, you can build a business much faster and it can create all the stuff that you need. Now, if you're someone that already have experience, you know what you need, you can actually train the tools and you can tell them, hey, this is what I need. It's gonna make it a lot faster for you. That doesn't mean that AI replaces the hard work. Like, you're still gonna have to put in some work, but if you know what you need to get done, you can train it and it's gonna give you ideas. It makes it a lot faster. So why am I coming back now? Well, over the last month, I decided to stop talking and start building again. And I start focusing on some of my Facebook pages that I had just sit around and start using AI with them. Nothing fancy, just consistency. Every day using AI to help me build them, create better content. Some of those pages now are getting, like I have a page that's getting like 8 million views. Like they are getting millions of views now and they start getting thousands of followers. And I started getting revenue from them. So revenue started, nothing crazy, not in the millions, not yet. But the proof is in the pudding. It's actually working, prove that the internet still work, prove that the consistency still win. If you still do the things, you're gonna get the results. Prove that the opportunity is still everywhere. That gave me the confidence that I needed to think, okay, I can go back. The second thing I learned is that doing the stuff, I could do it better now. Done is better than perfect. So you don't have to be perfect when you're doing this stuff, especially after failure. If you had failed, now sometimes you feel like, oh man, I need to get the same type of success, and you don't want to do the work. And I think that's one of the biggest things for me. I had to overcome my mind to get the work done, because when you use a certain type of success and it's gone from you, now it's like, now you're so used to that success, you might not even be able to give yourself time to allow yourself time to get back to the level that you was in. And that can trick your mind. When you had success before, your ego become kind of inflated, and that's one of your biggest enemy when it comes to your comeback. You think that, oh, I can post this, I'm gonna wait till I get better results, or I'm better at whatever I do. So now you just tricking yourself, or you can't charge that price, it's too small, or you have to build your authority first before you start charging people, whatever. So many things come in your mind. Oh, I'm not ready to show my face online after what happened. But you forgot when you got started in the beginning, you was doing all the grunt work. That didn't matter. I had gone through all the stages in my mind. I had all these thoughts that keeps me stuck, for almost 2 years. The day I posted my first piece of content, I thought people was gonna be like, yo, where the hell you been? But it's crazy. But people responded not with judgment, because one thing you realize, it's a different story when you're building, when you have nothing and you build, and then when you experience having everything and then you lose it all and now you're rebuilding. So sometimes it's just another part of the story, part of the journey. It allows you to feel empathy for other people that's going through where they built something magnificent they've been looking to build and then they lost it all. Now that gives you a different perspective. Because most people that are watching you, they're not just there to criticize you, but they want to be part of the journey. So that is why I'm creating this comeback story, to help me, and I at the same time help you if you're watching this video. So the best advice that I could give you is, AI completely changed the game for people that are rebuilding right now. You don't need to have a whole big team anymore. You can literally, like, if you look at my dashboard, I have a whole team, in between my CFO, content creator, to people that does my sales and my DM and my tech, my graphic, all these people. You can literally, if you don't have the money to afford a full team, you can train AI to do all that work for you. That used to be one of the biggest barrier for people that's rebuilding. You need writers, editor, designer, VA, manager. Now you have all the infrastructure. You can use something like Cloud, and Cloud will do most of it. Like CapCut will edit your videos. Like there's so many things that in the future I'll be making more videos showing you guys some of the stuff that I'm doing. I run the entire content operation for some of the pages that I have right now that produces multiple pieces of content every day across multiple platforms. Usually doing everything, I do the work once, I set it up, and then it's just doing it. I mean, this is not a flex, but that's the new reality. Like everybody is getting up with understanding how these tools work and how you can use them in your business. So if you're rebuilding from zero right now, this is the most important things I can tell you. You no longer have to just leverage yourself, but you can leverage these tools that's getting you to the next level. Okay, at any point you can just plug into any of those tools and that's gonna help you. So far watching this video is not gonna change everything for you, but you have to take action. At some point you need someone in your corner who's really walking the path, who's really making this stuff happen, who can look at your situation, your content, your business, and tell you exactly what you need to do. You know, this is why what I'm building right now for the people that's following me, I'm building a community, a school community right now where I can give you access to what I'm currently doing right now with AI and how I'm monetizing with it. If you're interested in that, I'm gonna put the link to the AI school community. It's gonna be a private group. I'll put the link down below. It's no fluff, no theory. This is real system, real results, the stuff I'm actually currently doing right now, and you're gonna be able to have access to them. I'm gonna share that stuff with you. So I'm gonna put the link right down below. If you're interested, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Follow me. I'm gonna keep dropping more content daily. I'm gonna continue intentionally creating more content for you guys and share the stuff that's happening to my business and how I'm growing it, and showing you any shortcut that I learned and help you with the learning curve to make it shorten for you. So be sure to like this video, be sure to subscribe, share this video with someone that you think that's going through a motion of restarting, of resetting their lives. This is the process that I'm going through. This is my first video back. Yeah, we back, pound that. And we're gonna make this stuff happen. So drop a comment down below. Tell me where you are in the journey. Are you restarting? Are you making money? Is stuff happening for you right now? You know, I read every comment. I'm gonna read the comments and then I'll be able to get back with you. Yeah, so I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Definitely see you guys later.